Hello, everyone. This is Maureen. Excuse me, and welcome back to Praying Through the Darkness. I want to ask you something. Nope. I'm going to start that over. Hello, everyone. This is Maureen, and welcome back to another day of Praying Through the Darkness. Isn't it wonderful when we get to do activities with friends or even our family? Just being with someone always makes the journey of whatever it is we're doing a lot more pleasant, doesn't it? It doesn't matter if we're grocery shopping or if we are driving down the road. Many of us just don't like to do things by ourselves. Now, me, I really kind of enjoy the solitude, but I must admit that there are times when I also enjoy having companionship. But for many of us, being on our own, even just going to the store, puts a damper on things, especially if we have to do that by ourselves. So we just tend to not do it. We tend not to get up in the mornings and get dressed and go to church on Sunday because it means we'll be going by ourselves. Maybe we won't even attend programs for our kiddos or loved ones because it means going by ourselves. Many times we just don't feel like it's worth the effort, right? But truly, those of us that are believers in Jesus Christ, that have our Heavenly Father as our constant companion, we're never alone, are we? Even me right here in this room, in this moment, all I have that's with me is the dogs. I'm all by myself. But really, I'm not. Because I can imagine my Heavenly Father sitting right there on that little couch next to me, listening to me while I'm talking to you. I can also imagine Him just sitting right there. You might think this is a little crazy, but if I'm sitting here crocheting by myself, I can see Him sitting right there crocheting right along with me. Yes, I have done that many, many times. So we really do need to get into the habit of completely understanding we are not alone. We might be physically alone, but emotionally and spiritually, we are not alone. God is with us. And we find these words in Deuteronomy 31:6 that really does seem to drive the nail home. You know what I mean? Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid or terrified because of them, for the Lord your God goes with you. He will never leave you nor forsake you. Don't worry about going out by yourself. Don't worry about being alone, because you're not. God is right there with you. Whether you ask Him to be or not, folks, once you entered into the kingdom of heaven as a child of God, you've never been forsaken. You have never been left alone. So whether we ask God to be with us or not, He's right here. He is. He's sitting right there on the couch with me. He's watching and listening to everything that I do so that I know at a moment's notice, all I have to do is say, Father, boom, He's right there. He accompanies me from the moment I wake up till the moment I lay my head and fall asleep. And you know what? He's even there while I am sleeping, keeping the demons away, making sure that I am safe and secure. So never think that you're alone, because you are always accompanied by Him. He is always with you, whether you consciously think about it or not. And I like to think that I do consciously think about Him being with me, whether I'm washing the dishes, outside watering the grass, or just sitting here staring off into space. My Heavenly Father is with me. And He is especially with me when He knows I'm getting ready to head into some troubled waters, when He knows that the chaos of this world is getting ready to attack. He is right there, waiting for me to say, Daddy, Abba, boom. He's going to say, yes, my child, I am right here with you. God, when fear keeps me from moving forward, what should I do? Sometimes I succumb and I talk myself of whatever it is that lays on the other side of that fear. Other times I try to find another way around it. Your word is full of statements that encourage me to take courage. I'm not supposed to be afraid because I am unsure of what I'm capable of, because my strength lies in you, who goes before me. I'm not alone in my challenges, and I am not left to figure things out on my own. So where worry tries to convince me that I am not good enough to keep going, faith says that although I can't work things out by myself, you are there with me every step of the way, and that you are able. You are all-knowing. You are all-powerful and merciful, and you are my constant companion and confidant. I cannot lose when I am accompanied by you. Lord, you are the champion of my heart. You have clear vision and endless wisdom, so I lean on you today. When fear threatens my resolve, come closer and speak your words of life. Give me perspective to see your wonderful goodness with me every step of the way. You are all-knowing, you are all-powerful and mercy, and you are my constant, did you hear that? My constant companion and confidant, which means no matter what it is that I'm facing, he's right there with me. And no matter how I feel, I can share my fear, my doubts, my insecurities with him. And you know what? He's going to help me. He's going to help me to see there's nothing to be afraid of, because he is there to get me through it. He is there to remind me how strong I am when I rely on him. And he is there to remind me that there is nothing that I cannot face, because I don't have to face it alone. He is there, my constant companion and my champion. And I do pray that you know that as well. Know that you're never alone. He is always there with you. All you have to do is reach out. No, if you want to reach out with your hand, that's fine. Reach out with your heart and say, Father, I need you. And just like Johnny on the spot, he's going to be there. Thank you so much for joining me for these words today that come to us from this little blue book that's put out by Broad Street Publishers. Now don't forget, there's a link for you down in the description box if you wish to go and add it to your own devotional library, or if you're looking for that special gift to give to someone so that they can also be encouraged day after day. Please don't forget to hit that like button. Leave me a comment. Let me know. Do you know who your champion is? Do you know that your Heavenly Father is sitting right there with you, no matter what it is that you're doing or what you're going through? Let me know. If this was your first time here, thank you so much for sitting here with us to hear these words. Let me ask you to hit that subscribe button and look for the bell with those cute little hugs on the side, because it'll let you know every time I upload content, especially if devotionals for your daily life is what you're seeking to kind of kick start your day for you. Remember that chaos is just a word. God can handle that. You get on about your Father's business, because he's right there to help you get through it. And remember, I love you too. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.